I'm gonna quick do a video here. Um, what this video involves is about employee situation. A lot of times I'll hear guys that say, oh, I need to hire a bunch of employees so I can start up my business and all that good stuff. Well, I'm living proof that you don't need employees. I'm a one-man company, and over the years I have literally purchased all the equipment to keep my company a one-man operation as if it was from day one. Now on this job, which I'm about to show you, I just installed close to 2 tons worth of gravel. I loaded this morning, well this afternoon actually, when I got going for this job. I showed up at my equipment storage site. I loaded up my loader onto my drop trailer, hooked it up to the dump truck, went and picked up the supplies I needed, which was basically 2 tons of stone. They dumped it in the back of the dump truck, and off I went to the job site, which is here where I am. Now, when I got to the job site, I unloaded the loader, disconnected the trailer, parked the truck in its spot where I basically needed to unload the stone. And sorry, I got distracted there by the jogger, but parked the dump truck where I was going to be unloading, and unloaded the stone. Well, I'll quick show you what was involved, and it wasn't an easy location, but I got it done. So if you bear with me, I'll get to the location where the stone was being put so you can all get an insight. Okay everybody, here's the location. As you can see, I had an air conditioner to deal with. That's a mouse trap in the corner, but a wellhead pump. And then when you're going outside here, I had actually a restricted area to work in. It was a tight fit to back the loader in here to get back and forth out of here. But yeah, it basically was a complex job, but I didn't need any employees pushing wheelbarrows. Most guys would say, oh, I need 3 guys to be pushing wheelbarrows. When you're in the industry for 25 years, you actually learn how to do this stuff without having employees. They had some repair work done because of the septic system here, but yeah, it was a pretty straightforward job. It actually involved driving quite a distance over the lawn, and that's actually why I have a compact front end loader. I'm trying to keep the glare of the sun out of the camera view here, but yeah, I do have my skid steer. Don't get me wrong, I could have easily used that, but the skid steer would have completely tore up that lawn. So by using my compact front end loader, basically got the work done without having extra employees. I was able to scoop the gravel right out of the back of the dump truck, get it right out of the back of the dump truck and back onto a job site, and away I went. So I'm loaded up and ready to take off. I was here maybe a total of 2 hours by myself installing 2 tons of gravel. So when you think that you have to have tons of employees to do a job site, as long as you buy the proper equipment, you can get everything done. Because now, seeing that I'm done with the job, basically I just gotta go talk to the customer, collect the payment for the work that was done, make sure that everything is good with them, and I'm out of here. So it's an in and out situation, and a lot of times, because I've bought the equipment over the years to make these jobs easy, a lot of my jobs are in and out really quick because I show up with the proper equipment. And honestly, a lot of it has to do with owning a dump truck and owning my compact front end loader. Right there, those 2 are the things that get it done. A lot of guys think that, oh, these little dingoes, do the work. If I would have drove a dingle over that lawn, especially with that lawn being reseeded right there, that dingle would have tore up the entire area making those turns. Especially at the end there where I would have had to turn 135 degrees to get in that gate. The dingle would have destroyed everything. With the compact front end loader, I was able to back right up in there, come forward, the job was done. You could have backed the dingle in there, but the dingle would have made a mess turning the corner. Having tires makes a big difference. Yes, you pay a little bit for a compact front end loader, but in the end, this machine has been a valuable asset to me from day one. And that's been almost 10 years now. But I'm going to end this video quick here. I just wanted to touch base on this and give everybody a little insight that you buy the right equipment, you can get anything done with your business being a one-man company.